love all things movie culture. You know that LA is the heart of it. So I'm taking you behind the scenes of what is the world's largest working movie studio and theme park, all rolled into one, and I'm going to show you how to experience the Backlot VIP.
Universal Studios Hollywood is about a 10-minute drive from the centre of Hollywood. The studio first opened back in 1915. Today there are loads of rides, restaurants, shops and experiences for all ages to enjoy. It's straight to the studio Backlot tour for me though.
Hi, welcome to VIP.
Thank you. I'm so excited about today's tour.
It's the way to do it.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
The VIP studio tour takes about 2.5 hours and will immerse you in the past, present and future of some of your favourite TV shows and movie sets.
Uh-oh, heads up, heads up.
I'm in the movie Jaws! After a quick introduction to an old favourite, our first stop on the tour seems pretty real.
Wow.
Welcome to literally one of the biggest sets ever created for film.
This is out of this world. I seriously feel like I'm on another planet right now. But
I know.
to be honest, not one that I want to be living on.
Big apocalypse, you know?
This is crazy.
Yeah, so this is War of the Worlds, directed by Steven Spielberg.
This plane looks so real. Yeah. It's like, I can't imagine them creating something like this.
Well, you know what? That's because it actually is. All in all, you saw this set on film for 2.5 minutes.
Welcome to New York.
And just like that, within a couple of minutes, I am transported to another city and another time.
Hello, New York! It's so cool. All right, we have arrived at what is known as New York Street. Made to look like the Big Apple. If you look around, you would never be able to tell we're actually still in Los Angeles. It's pretty cool.
These very streets have been used in some of the world's biggest blockbusters, including Spider-Man 2, Transformers, Captain America, and the list goes on. Literally right across the street, we walk onto the set of a classic favourite movie of mine.
So welcome to Courthouse Square. This area has been used in countless movies and TV shows. This is from Back to the Future. This is the whole area here.
Wait, sorry, is that where the hoverboard came up, that actual
Right here.
street? Oh, wow.
Right here, no, the car, the DeLorean, where he goes 88 miles an hour, straight up this street here.
This is why you do the VIP studio tour, guys. You actually get to get off the trolley and walk around on a real set.
Yeah.
There's only one thing left for me to say.
What's that?
It's time to go back to the future.
Yeah, do it. Good.
One of the great things about the VIP package is that it includes a gourmet lunch in the private VIP dining room prepared by Universal's very own executive chef.
When the sun goes down each year during Halloween, the theme park transforms into Halloween Horror Nights. And it's had to show you guys what this is all about. Now, I don't know about you, but I love a good fight! Oh, no!
For select nights from September through to November, Universal Studios transforms into a Halloween nightmare based on your favourite horror films and TV shows. My tip is to get your tickets as early as possible because they sell out quick. There are 8 terrifying mazes to experience, and this year the star attraction is the new Stranger Things maze based on the hit Netflix series.
If you're lucky enough to come here through Halloween,